episode that took me way too long. Welcome to today's video. Today is a Sunday reset. It's actually a Sunday. Like, wow, I'm doing this on a Sunday. It's been a very strange week for me. So like it's one of those weeks where it's like you're good and then you're not good and then you're good and then you're not good again and then you're not good and then you're not good and then you're good and then you're not good. So I'm kind of just trying to clean up my space again. I need to schedule, well, not schedule, but I need to plan out my week. I have reading week starting tomorrow, so I have no classes till Friday, so I'm like basically free till next Monday. I want to set myself up for a productive week. Obviously the work doesn't end today. I actually need to follow whatever schedule I set out. So yeah, today you're just gonna be seeing me doing all of that. I'm gonna head to the gym now. I've already gone dressed. Those are my sheets that just came off the bed. I'm gonna do laundry as well. I still need to clean up my desk. There's a lot going on. I need to clean up that situation. I don't know, it doesn't look very pleasant, but yeah. Anyway, I feel like you can see me well enough even though the light is glaring from the back. Look at my little skinny morning abs. Anyway, my sports bra is from Shein. That's the back. Oh wow, look at the back, it's popping. That's the back of the bra. I will link down the sports bra. It's honestly, it does not have any support whatsoever, so if you have a fuller chest, I would not recommend, especially like, okay, but if you're having an upper body day, then yeah. But if you're having a lower body day, then fine. But if you plan on doing any cardio, any jumping, anything that would essentially move your boobs, don't do it. My leggings are Gymshark. I got these a few years ago and they have held up really well, but that's the fit. I'm gonna probably put on a t-shirt and a hoodie. It looks and it feels hot outside, but this is Canada, anything can happen. These are the shoes. These are my shoes. They're very dirty, very ugly, very old, but I don't care, because are you going to the gym to look at my shoes? I don't really want to do my edges, so I'm not going to do them. I just wanted to show you my workout for today. I am still very nervous to film in the gym, especially because it's a student gym and they're like, I guess, iffy about filming. But today's a Sunday and it's reading week, so I'm assuming there's not going to be that many people, so I'm actually going to take my camera into the gym. I don't know if I'm going to film, but yeah. This is what my workout split looks like roughly. I just wrote it down yesterday, but I usually did this all from like memory, which I guess wasn't good, because then sometimes I would like forget what to do or like switch out some exercises, so it doesn't really help with having the same, like, you know. But anyway, today we are going gluten hammies. This is what it's supposed to look like. I will probably do all of these, so yeah. Waiting for my bus. I'm gonna go get some groceries because I've been starving the past 2 weeks, and yeah, that's where we're headed. The grocery store. I didn't go in my sports bra, just by the way. I just took off my shirt because it's way too hot. I don't even know why it's this hot, but let me not complain. It's hot and I love it, and yeah. So now I'm gonna finish cleaning up. Like, sorry, that's my roommate learning how to speak French. Yeah, I want to clean, but also I don't feel like doing a deep clean anymore because I'm tired. Can you tell that I have a favorite color? Like, just look at my bed. Look at my bed, and then look at my bottle, and then what else? I don't know. I think those are the only two things. Well, whatever. not even gonna lie, I'm tired, so I'm just gonna eat and rest a little bit. I think we're also gonna go to the park, so I'll just honestly, this is just becoming a normal vlog, but also a reset routine. And yeah, so I'll see you in a few minutes or hours, I'm not sure, but this is not the end of the video. We are at the park.
I went down to 50 million.
What?
The lottery? I'm not buying it.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, so look at our Crocs, so cute.
I literally looked at it.
So we missed the bus.
30-minute wait.
And now we need to wait for 30 minutes.
Because of
Because they wouldn't
I don't
run.
want to be on the camera. I don't want to running about.
nothing.
Drew, that's hiding from the camera.
That's crazy, getting exposed.
She really said
What? No face, no case?
I knew learning.
I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's been a few days. Why isn't this adjusting to my face charm? I'm finally gonna do my self-care. It's something that I always end up neglecting. I'll clean my room, clean our like kitchen, bathroom areas. I'll clean everything and make sure that it looks good, it's clean, it's livable, but I will neglect myself. And it's, I don't know, it's something that I've been trying to get better at this year, and I'm better at it, like I'm much better at it than I was at the beginning of the year. But sometimes I still, like, you know, just things get tough and then you forget that you even exist. That is going to include just removing my braids because they look old and lived in, even though I've only had them for like, I think it's 2 weeks today. So yeah, but I do them myself, which means that like sometimes the grip is just not that great. But yeah, I'm gonna redo the front only, and I'm actually gonna change them to regular braids. So I'm gonna do that now, and then we're gonna do some skincare. It's a few days later. I'm very disappointed because I am a professional at wasting time. So to try and solve my problem of procrastination and basically sitting around wondering what to do or when to do it, I've decided to start time blocking. I don't know if you've heard of it before, but it's basically where you plan out like every single hour of your day. You would know exactly what you're doing and when you do it, or like when you're supposed to be doing it at least. So this is what mine looks like for now. I think I'm going to be doing it on a daily basis. So every day at like 8 p.m. I'll probably be scheduling my day. So like today's Monday, I did this one yesterday. Today I'm going to do my Tuesday one, just so like I'm not scheduling too many things in advance and then the whole day, like I don't want to be overwhelmed looking at a calendar full of stuff. Today so far it's worked out. It's now like 2:30. I studied for my test that I have on Wednesday. I'm gonna be following this for the rest of the week and we'll see what happens. I will update you in the next video, the next vlog, the next Sunday reset maybe. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back soon, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of me. I've been posting there every day. So yeah, I'll see you